Welcome back, everyone. This is Resourceful Marcus back at you. Thanks for coming back. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I appreciate it very much. It helps my channel. Alright, so I'm going to be unboxing this item here that I got today. It's not damaged in any way. I just generally like to do a video on the unboxing of this now. Alright, let's drop this camera down here, lower her down a little so you can see what I'm doing here. Alright, so another goodie for my aquarium that I need. Alright, so these are the only ones that I use. The Ehiem Jager aquarium heater. These ones are made in Germany and they are very dependable. Ehiem Jager. They're a little pricey, but they're well worth it. And I'm still going to have to order a controller for this. Now we're going to open this box up here and hope that it's not busted or anything, there's any damage. Pretty simple to set up. As I say, I'm gonna get a controller. Grab a controller for it. Just gonna have a look to make sure that it's not damaged. I'm not gonna plug it in or sit it in a pail today. Alright, so looks alright. This one's for my 30 gallon. This is 125 watt. It says it will heat up to a 53 gallon. That'll work, it's nice. They give you a nice long cord with these Ehiem Jagers. It's got a 3-year warranty. Again, it is made in Germany. You can see that. Made in Germany. Fully submersible aquarium heater, Tru Temp, 125 watt. So you can use this in fresh or marine water, salt water, either or. Take your preference, you can use it in either one. Again, that's the Ehiem 125 watt. That's just an unboxing of that product, which I got in the mail. Alright, so that's that unboxing for that product. Again, it's the Ehiem Jager 125 watt aquarium heater. They are a little pricey, but they're very dependable. They're made well. It's made in Europe, made in Germany, made well. Alright, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Resourceful Marcus.